Namaste children. In the previous class you have learnt about the particular needs. They are the proper nouns and the sound words you have learnt. Okay, and in addition to that you have learnt a very nice story. Have you all read the story, Pranav's friend story? Yes, you will do it. Okay, and along with that we have learnt even the sound words also. Sound words we have learnt, proper naming words we have learnt, and also the story also we have learnt, and also blends also we have learnt. Today if you look at the board you can see a lovely bear here. You can see, no? Yes, this is very beautiful. What is the heading? Now we have completed our block 6 and even I have sent you the classwork also. Have you all completed the classwork? If you have not completed, do complete it. Do write neatly. Very neat handwriting you should write down, children. Okay, Nana? Now here today we are starting our block 7. In this block 7 we are having the describing words. In that the first one is the word web. As you all know, what is the word web? When I was teaching you about writing a paragraph, I have written the festivals in the middle. Yes, Nana? With the question words, I have made the word web. By answering the questions, we got the paragraph. Just you memorize it. There, that is the word web for the writing the paragraph. And today, we are going to describe this. How you are going to describe? Just as soon as you look at this bear, teddy bear, what words come to your mind? Come on, tell me what words come to your mind. How is it? This is very beautiful. Isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. And how is it? It is very soft. Right, Nana? And how is it? How is it looking? Is it small or big? It is very small. Okay, ma? And what is the color of our bear? It is yellow in color. And how are the eyes of the teddy bear? They are black in color. And overall, as soon as you look at it, how do you feel? It is very lovely, it is very cute, it is very beautiful, and it is very small. And by looking at this, just by looking at anything, for example this teddy bear, we have got 5 words. If we are in the class, you would have given more and more words to describe this teddy bear. It's not only the teddy bear. If we go to our Pranav's friends lesson, Pranav. Now here I have written the word Pranav. Here I have written the word Pranav. Now how I was describing this teddy bear, in the same manner you should tell me as soon as you look at the Pranav's picture. How you will do now? You don't have the textbook. So for this what you have to do? You should open your English textbook to page number. What is the page number, dear? Come on, tell me. What is the page number you have to open? Open page number 36. Page number 36 you open. Now here if you look at Pranav, what type of boy was he? How was he? What type of boy was Pranav? He was very caring because even he loved the trees, leaves, twigs, bushes, all the things he loved. He was taking lot of care. So what sort of boy was Pranav? He was very caring. Pranav was very caring. Okay, ma? Next word. How is the boy? Just you keep the book in front of you and tell me how is the boy? Is he small or he is big? He is small. And how he is? He is fat or thin? Pranav is thin. Pranav is thin. And how is his relationship with Saket? He is very much friendly with Saket. And how is he? What type of boy was Pranav? He was caring and he was a nice boy, isn't it? Both of them were very nice. Can you tell me something more about Pranav apart from these words? Can you tell me, ma? You think over it. You take a pause here and you think over it and tell me some more words about Pranav. He was kind. Okay, he was gentle. He was friendly. So if you keep on thinking over about Pranav, you are getting so many other words. Okay, these words which you are giving, what is this Pranav? It is a naming word. Pranav is a for the particular name, proper naming word. It is a proper noun. So this Pranav, what we are doing? We are describing it. We are we are describing him with different words. The words which are used to describe an animal or Pranav or a plant or a flower. If you take the flower also, see, if you take the flower also, you can describe it. You can describe this one. And if you take the plant also, you can describe it. Here, can you see the plant here? You can describe it. So, these words which we use to describe a flower, a person or an animal or a place, anything, they are called as describing words. Understood, ma, all of you, how to describe a person or how to describe an animal or a plant or a flower. So, describing words are nothing but they gives you more information. They gives you more knowledge about anything. Anything, it may be anything. They are called as the describing words. Understood, children, all of you? Have you all understood? So, these describing words, they help us to write sentences about Pranav. How you remind how we wrote the paragraph writing. For paragraph writing, festivals I have given in the middle and I have given you the question words how, what, where, when. Just by writing the answers, we made a small paragraph. In the same manner, here if I ask you to write 5 sentences about the teddy bear or 5 sentences about Pranav, you can make sentence using these describing words. Understood, ma, all of you? This is all about the describing words. Just now I was telling you that the words which describe, which tells more about Pranav or the teddy bear, animal or thing or flower or anything, they are called as the describing words. Here I have written some sentences which are having the describing words. Now if we see here, since we are describing the boy Pranav, here what is the first sentence I wrote? Pranav is a nice boy. So here one thing you should remember, children, when we are writing the sentence, it should have a adjective or the doing word and also is, am and are. These words is, am and are used to connect the sentences. They will help us, they are used to make a meaningful sentences, meaningful and complete sentences. Okay, here in some sentences we are having adjectives and some sentences we are having is here. Okay, and also we are having the naming words, we are having proper naming words, and also we are having the doing words also we are having. So in English or in any other language, when we are making the sentence, it should have the particular naming word, proper naming words, describing words, or doing words or is, am and are. They should be there to make a complete meaningful sentence. Now let's see how is this word web is used to make a sentence. Now here if you are in the class, I would have asked you to make sentences using all these words. You would have told me n number of sentences. Okay, but I have written only 3-4 sentences. I have written just to look at the board. You take a pause here and observe how the words are used. Okay ma? Now here Pranav is a nice boy. So if I say Pranav is a boy means what you are understanding? You are understanding that Pranav is the name of a boy. That's it. But here what is the describing word I am using? I am using nice. Nice means what? It is giving more information. What sort of boy was Pranav? Pranav is a nice boy. Some children are very naughty children, isn't it? But here how is our Pranav? He is a nice boy. This is the describing word. Now next one we will see. Pranav is friendly with trees and bushes. How is Pranav? How he behaves with trees and bushes? He behaves in a very friendly manner. So what is the adjective here? Sorry, what is the describing word here? That is friendly. Next one, here we have so many words. So I have made it into single sentence. Pranav is kind, gentle and caring. These are also the describing words. Now last sentence, if you see here, Pranav likes to play. Pranav likes to play in his beautiful garden. This sentence is not related to this describing the Pranav. This is the separate sentence I have written. How Pranav likes to play. What are the doing words we are having? We are having the proper naming word we are having. Doing words we are having. Okay, here and also the describing words also we are having. And also proper naming words, doing words and describing words also we are having. So if you see any sentence, you will be having these words. Either it may be having the naming word or the doing word or the is, am, are. Without this we cannot make any sentence. Have you all understood ma what are these describing words? Describing words are nothing but which gives us more information of anything, person, animal or anything. That is about the describing words. Now it's a time for you to open your English workbooks. Yes, all of you open your English workbooks to page number 41. Open your English workbook, Nana, page number 41. Here you write down the date. Write down the date and fill in the word web with words that describe Pranav. Here Pranav is there. Already it is there on the board. Please don't copy from the board. You think of something other words related to Pranav and fill in these boxes. So for this what you have to do? Here you put the numbers 1. So it will be easy for you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Nana. So here you write down the words which describes Pranav. Okay, ma? You think and write down. Next one, what you have to do? Write 2 sentences using words from the word web. Here this is the word web. From this word web, any 2 words you have to take and using those words you have to make sentences. Understood all of you? Using the word web you have to make 2 sentences. Have you all understood ma what are describing words? You have to, even I wrote the sentences on the board, they are only for example. On the basis of those sentences you make another sentences. Please don't copy the sentences. Some of you, what you are doing, you are just copying the sentences. Please don't do that. Okay ma? If you do like that, you will not understand it. You have to try. If it is right, it's okay. If it is not right, you can practice it again. Understood all of you? You complete this, and if you don't understand here, you can copy the same sentences. When the virtual class is going on, once again, if any one of you have any doubts, I will clarify them. Okay children, thank you.